Rugby has been an incredible journey for me, and it's given me so much. Rugby is one of the fastest growing sports in Canada. That's really the extra motivation to do this research and make sure that we're preventing injuries and that girls have long, really enjoyable careers in this incredible sport. My name's Kathryn Dane. I am from Enniskillen, County Fermanagh in Northern Ireland. I am a postdoctoral researcher here at the Sport Injury Prevention Research Centre, SIPRC. I'm also an international rugby player with 23 caps for Ireland. I'm a chartered physiotherapist and a level 4 coach. The Sport Injury Prevention Research Centre is one of 11 International Olympic Committee research centres and the only one in Canada, recognised globally for its high calibre of research and influencing practice and policy in numerous youth collision sports, both in Canada and all over the world. Tonight we're having a free tackle safety workshop at the Calgary Rugby Union. We have representatives from Rugby Canada to come down and help us deliver the tackle ready and contact confident resources, World Rugby's tackle safety resources. There will be players from minis to U18 and senior players. Tackling, it is a skill. It's a technique that requires technical proficiency. You have to be psychologically ready. You also need to be physically strong and robust, mitigating the forces that are coming against you. My qualitative research really involves giving athletes, coaches, healthcare professionals a voice in sports medicine research. We find from the implementation research that in practice sometimes we fail to look at the context in which people need that information or they want to receive that education. What we found was that on tackle safety in women's rugby, girls and women have a preference for learning how to tackle in a very graduated manner to understand the why. Why would I do it this way? Typically, the boys and men's players don't really ask why. World Rugby kindly funded us a couple of years ago under the supervision of Professor Carolyn Emery, co-investigators Dr. Isla Schill and Dr. Stephen West. The success of this research centre really speaks for itself. We have the capacity and we have the right people on the ground and the right manpower and expertise. Having those partnerships with the players, the coaches, healthcare professionals, youth advisory committees, we're just in a really fortunate position that we can definitely make a difference in the sport I love.